garam chai, hot tea, hot coffee.
All passengers must have a valid ticket before boarding the train.
गरम चाय, गरम चाय।
भैया ये फाल कितने के हैं?
20 रुपए के।
The train arriving on platform 3 is the Sahyadri Express.
Hot tea, fresh snacks available here. Welcome back. The journey was smooth?
Here is your change, sir.
Tea, snacks, anyone for tea?
Excuse me, is this the correct carriage for Mumbai? Goodbye, safe journey.
Write to us when you arrive.
Take care, we will miss you.
Hurry up, we must close the stall now.
Yes, almost done.
Chai, coffee, anyone for snacks?
Hurry up. Will we get a seat or not?
Look, they are waving back.
Goodbye. Hurry back.
We will write to you from Mumbai.
Attention passengers, the train to Mumbai is now departing.